Hello and welcome 12 Commerce students. This is another important class of business studies where I will discuss another important topic from financial management chapter. And today the topic from financial management chapter is itself financial management. So today our topic is none other than financial management itself. What it means, what actually it means. Now, financial management is one of the most important functional areas of management. It deals with planning and controlling of financial part of the organization. It deals with utilization and raising of funds and then processing and then utilizing it, applying it in different projects and programs. So in different departments also. So this is the most important functional area, that is financial management. If financial management is proper, it is well planned, well designed, then everything goes on very well. So today we will discuss about this financial management. What is the nature of, what is the basic characteristics of financial management? So today we will focus on to the characteristics of financial management. Today we will focus on to this. Now, so our first point, the basic character, among all other basic characteristics, the first point of this is management of funds. This is the first basic characteristics of financial management. Financial management is concerned with determination of sources of funds and finding the ways for the proper utilization. It also ensures the optimum utilization of resources. So management of funds is the first point of financial management, the nature, the basic nature. Next point is maximization of profit. Maximization of profit. Maximization of profit is the second point. That is, the volume of profit by an organization is the primary measure of its economic efficiency and success. Financial management should strive for a high level of profit. It should utilize the short-term as well as the long-term finances so that profit and wealth of the companies can be maximized. It can be earned to the maximum capacity. And also the long-term profits also. It can do that by the efficient allocation of the financial resources available in that organization. So this is the second point of maximization of profit. Third point is the related point. Third point is correlated. If profit is maximized, then definitely wealth of the company, the net worth of the company will be maximized. So maximization of wealth is correlated point with maximization of profit. Financial management aims at maximizing the value of the organization over long run. The goal takes care of the economic welfare of the owners. The owners are the strivers. They work for the stability of the company. They work for long-term profit earning of the company, and so they can survive only if the wealth is maximized, if the net worth of the company can be increased. So maximization of wealth is also another important characteristics of financial management, which is correlated with the earning capacity, the increasing profit of the business. Next point is minimization of risk. A company should always go for minimization of risk. It should always seek courses of action that avoid unnecessary risk and improves the liquidity of the organization. Any kind of debt should be avoided. Liquidity should be, debt avoidance means debt should not be there. That should not, the debtors of the company should have much credit worthiness so that the liquidity of the company, the financial solvency of a company can be improved, and in this way risk of the company, the unnecessary risk attached with the profit earning of the company can be reduced. In this way wastage also can be reduced. So minimization of risk is another important feature of financial management. Now coming to the next point, that is maintenance of liquidity. Adequate liquid funds should be there. So I'll go with the next point. I'm rubbing the heading so that I can write, I can have more space for writing. 5 is maintenance of liquidity. Maintenance of liquidity. It is another point, another important point, that is financial management should ensure the adequate liquidity so that the organization has enough cash to meet the financial liabilities, the financial obligations of a business. It should have much liquid cash in hand. Liquidity must be there in order to pay off the expenses, the obligations, the liabilities of a business. So maintenance of liquidity is another important feature of financial management. Coming with the next point, that is applicability or vast applicability. 6th point, vast applicability. This is another important point. Financial management may be applied to any kind of organization regardless of aims and constructions. Principles and techniques of financial management can be applied both in production and service sector, government sector, non-government sector, any sectors, or maybe it can be joint sector also, but its applicability must be universal in nature. It should be pervasive in nature so that it is applied, it is implemented in all over, in all kind of organizations, despite of its nature, irrespective of its nature. So this is another important feature of financial management. And the last important feature, according to me, I think this is the another important feature, that is continuous fund. Many other features are there, but among them I think this is another important feature and easy to remember also, that is continuous process. Continuous process. Continuous process means financial management is a continuous managerial activity. Sound financial management is the index of any organization's success. The growth, the existence, the survival of any organization depends on sound structure of this financial management. If the financial management is sound and strong, it's dependable, then survival will not be in question and survival will be strong of an organization. So this is another important feature of financial management. These are the important points you can include in your answer for writing the answer, that what are the features and what are the characteristics of financial management. Apart from these points, if you find any other point which is important for you to write, you may add if time permits. So go for this answer, read this answer well. Till then, goodbye and wait for the next class.